Not many roofing companies offer services for industrial warehouses or metal buildings in Southwest Florida. From start to finish, this job required only 16 days. The owner was ecstatic. When replacing R-panel roofs, we can retrofit them with TPO to save on replacement costs, provided the metal panel surface is not corroded. The key benefits of R-panel roofs include their longevity and rigidity, which typically results in minimal damage during high wind storms. R-panel wall and roof panels feature a Class A fire rating under UL790 procedures and UL2218 Class 4 impact resistance. Installation of R-panel roofs requires a minimum slope of 1:12 ratio, and butyl sealant is utilized in the labs. As your general contractor and licensed roofing contractor, we can inspect the connections between your roof trusses and exterior walls. This allows us to ensure the connections meet local building code requirements. If we find any issues, such as insufficient strapping, we are licensed to install the necessary reinforcements. This provides a seamless process, eliminating the need to hire multiple contractors to complete the job. If your Southwest Florida home or condominiums requires roof repair or replacement, you now have a sure resource by which you can be confident.